The reason why we created this space was to provide a platform for progressive women like us. Ideally, our goal would be to be able to organize ourselves outside the group too, and to be able to support and fight for the issues that we all care about. The women, we support human rights, women's rights, civil rights, which are universal secular values that we all deeply care about. At the end, I would like to discuss that the Muslim world today is troubled with a lot of problems, including issues with radicalization, extremism, and at times tragic cases of terrorism. I think in this current climate, it is important that progressive and peaceful voices like ours, we do need to become louder and make sure that our voices are heard.
Hi, my name is Noreen Atula. I'm a psychiatrist from Providence, Rhode Island, and originally I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. For a long time I felt quite marginalized myself, in that most of my family and friends who are Muslims hold very traditional views, and nowadays it seems like Islam has become all about what not to do as opposed to what we should do. This has become very onerous and burdensome. In this group we have people who have been traditionally marginalized.
I also think that Islam is perfectly compatible with secularism because there is no compulsion in religion and we are answerable only to our Creator in spiritual matters. So for everything else, there is guidance in the Quran. The other reason why secularism is key for us in the Muslim world is because it is the best answer to the rising sectarianism and intolerance that we see. We need a state which is neutral to all religions and where every citizen is equal.
Counter the extremist version of Islam by standing up against the extreme ideologies, by allowing our kids to think critically, and most importantly, changing the curriculum that involves demeaning minorities and their religions and glorifying the acts that are done against blasphemy.
I want to be in solidarity with their struggles. They're both marham and marham for me. Marham meaning healing ointments.
We are all respectful of each other's opinions, and we discuss issues in a manner which are conducive to reaching conclusions rather than division and hatred. I want to raise my kids as Muslims who will question the religion and who will make their own decisions about Islam and not follow rituals mindlessly.